with a little project which I called a Bumpkey tension wrench. So out of this, I will try to bend this and make it a Bumpkey tensioner that will prevent my hand from getting hit every time I do a rapid bump, and it will be also an experimental project. The purpose of this project is that I will bend this like a tension wrench, bend it like a tension wrench, alright? So that purpose will be is that I will insert the key in the Bumpkey, and then this, and then like that. Then I will try to bend this 90 degrees, and then that will be my tension. And also I can put a spring just in case here, so that this key will be coming out at least 1 notch every time I bump. Alright, tap with this butane torch. Okay guys, now let's try this tension wrench for Bumpkey which I got here. So the procedure will be like this, doing like that, but first I will insert it here. Alright, and that will be like this. Alright, so let's use the Bumpkey. Use the Bumpkey. Okay, let's wait again. Folks, this Bumpkey tension wrench helps and it prevents you from hitting your finger during bump keying. Okay, have a good day.